Gohmert joins us now. All right, Congressman. I want to talk to you about the Steinle case and how it might relate to building a wall. You're a congressman from Texas. The wall's on the frontier, the border, right? Surely this adds impetus, doesn't it? Build the wall.
Oh, absolutely. Stuart, it adds all kinds of impetus for us to do all kinds of things. The wall is just a starter. And thank God we elected a president that wants to do something about it. That's the only good news I can see out of this. How a jury could come down like they did is absolutely astounding. I mean, I had thousands of felony cases come through my court when I was a felony judge. And juries can sometimes surprise you, but this is such an outrage, just as you had just heard, especially when they even said no to any kind of homicide that didn't even require intent, just negligence. My word. It has to be because of all the rhetoric in San Francisco about how illegal aliens have to be protected. This guy came in 5 times, deported 5 times, came back 5 times. And I had one guy that I sentenced that had 9 DWIs, and the time he came to the felony court, he'd actually hurt somebody. And since he had not been deported, I sent him to prison for years, and he's back in my court within 6 months. I said, how did you get back in my court? And he said 90 days after I sent him to prison. Finally, he got deported, and as soon as they drove away after they watched him go across the border, he came back. That same, within 30 minutes, he was back.
Build the wall. Build the wall.
It's got to have a wall everywhere we need it. And I know I heard somebody on Fox News saying last night that, well, in Texas, they don't really want a wall. I've heard people say that from Texas, but let me tell you, those are the massive hundreds of thousands of acres type farms. You talk to the small farms, 500, 1,000 acres, 100 acres. Those people are scared to death every night.
I heard it.
They need a wall. If you got 100,000 acres, you got your own army. You're okay. But not the rank and file that live on the border. They need our help.
Real fast on taxes, Louie. We've had Kevin McCarthy, House Majority Leader, say earlier this morning, the Senate, they got the 50 votes. That's putting some impetus behind the Senate and the idea in the marketplace, of course, that we're going to get this deal. You agree with this? We are going to get the deal. It's going to be done today.
We're going to get it. We are absolutely going to get it. And so you've got Senator McCain on board. You've got so many on board, but the bottom line is the American people are demanding it. We promised it. We've got to deliver on this. But let me tell you, Stuart, we were just told, I just came from a meeting where we were told that, hey, guys, we want to do a CR just till December 22nd. Let me tell you, if there's a CR that ends December 22nd, it's because somebody wants a spending bill to hide all kinds of garbage in it. And, you know, they feel like there'll be enough of us that will not want to be here Christmas. I'll stay Christmas 10 years in a row before I'll vote for the kind of garbage they're probably trying to hide in there.
Louie,
we don't need a CR that ends December 22nd.
That's a continuing resolution that will pay for the government ongoing. You know, Louie, that's why you are a favored guest and a favorite guest of our audience on this program.
Well, that's outrageous. And so, got a lot of things outrageous going on, but thank you for noticing.
Yes, sir.
Thank you for being
Thanks,
on top
Louie.
of it.
We'll see you again real soon. Thank you, sir.